What up guys, Mikhail Bennett here. So real quick, I want to show you guys how I was able to get my first Amex business card. As you can see, I'm holding 3 cards right now. The trick is, I had to get in on the personal side first. I applied for an Amex business card months before and I was denied, and I was like, why was I denied? I got all of these other personal cards, I got some business cards. Why did Amex deny me? I waited a few months, did a little bit more research, and what I realized was American Express is a relationship-based bank, right? They want you to have a relationship with them before they really start giving you the bag. So what I did was I got approved for 2 personal cards on the personal side first, right? And then I immediately applied for the business card, okay? I immediately applied for the business card and I was approved. Why? Because I established my relationship. It's just that simple, guys, for you to get your first Amex business card. So do like I said, get yourself in on the personal side. If you don't already have a personal credit card with American Express, I would say they have so many different options. You can get any of the cards, right? And if you can't even get one of the cards, you can open up a business checking account with American Express, and that's going to allow you to begin building your relationship with them. You only need one product. Once you got that one product, you're in the door and you can apply for more and more. My name is Mikhail Bennett. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and go and get your first Amex business card.